Understanding bandsaw kerf width, a key concept in woodworking. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting aspect of woodworking that is essential for both beginners and seasoned crafters alike. We're talking about bandsaw kerf width. Understanding this concept can significantly impact your projects, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. So, let's get started and explore what bandsaw kerf width means and why it's so important. Before we delve into kerf width, let's first understand what a bandsaw is. A bandsaw is a powerful cutting tool with a long, sharp blade consisting of a continuous band of toothed metal stretched between two or more wheels. It's used for woodworking, metalworking, and cutting a variety of materials. What makes a bandsaw unique is its ability to make precise cuts, creating smooth edges and allowing for intricate cutting patterns that other saws can't achieve. Now, let's talk about kerf width. The term kerf refers to the cut or the slit made by a saw blade as it passes through material. The kerf width is essentially the width of that cut. Why is this important? When you're planning a project, knowing the kerf width of your bandsaw blade allows you to calculate exactly how much material will be removed during the cut. This is crucial for precision in woodworking projects, ensuring that your pieces fit together perfectly. Several factors can affect the kerf width of a bandsaw blade. 1. Blade thickness. Thicker blades will produce a wider kerf. 2. Type of blade. The design of the blade teeth can influence the kerf width. For instance, a blade designed for rough cutting will have a wider kerf than one designed for fine cuts. 3. Material being cut. Harder materials can cause the blade to wander slightly, potentially widening the kerf. 4. Blade wear. Over time, as blades become worn or damaged, the kerf width can change. Understanding these factors can help you choose the right blade for your project and anticipate how it will behave during cutting. To make the most out of your woodworking projects, consider these tips. Choose the right blade. Select a blade that matches the type of cut you need and is suitable for the material you're working with. Consider kerf width in your design. When planning your project, factor in the kerf width to ensure pieces fit together as intended. Test cut. Before making your final cuts, do a test cut on a scrap piece of material to verify the kerf width and adjust your plans if necessary. Monitor blade condition. Regularly check your blade for wear and replace it when needed to maintain consistent kerf width. Understanding the concept of bandsaw kerf width is a game changer in woodworking, allowing for precision and efficiency in your projects. By choosing the right tools, considering kerf width in your designs, and keeping an eye on blade condition, you can achieve professional-grade results every time. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of kerf width and how to manage it in your woodworking endeavors. Thank you for watching, and happy crafting! Remember, practice makes perfect, and every project is an opportunity to learn and improve. See you in the next video.